Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RS Taichi Monster all-season Parka. Okay, let's move on to sizing real quick. Max is 6 feet tall, allegedly. Weighs 160 pounds. He is wearing a size large in this jacket, and I would say that the fit is where I would expect to see it. How does it feel in terms of mobility and comfort?
Perfect. I mean, it's a little bit of a thicker jacket, so it's not super flexible, but it does not feel restrictive whatsoever. So, this is a solid fit, I would say. A large is perfect.
And when you have the outer shell off, I would say the fit you're getting from that inner jacket is also appropriate.
Also very well, yes.
The retail price for the Monster All-Season Parka is $369.95. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is an all-new, all-season jacket from our friends at RS Taichi. We've got my man Max Van modeling this bad boy right now. This is a multi-layer, water-resistant jacket meant for truly all seasons. You could ride in this to the coolest of temperatures, right? And it's going to take you into the warmer part of the season by removing some of the layers and opening some of the ventilation. I probably wouldn't wear this in hot weather because it's just the way it's designed. Even with the inner liner gone, it's going to be warm for sure. Storage is the theme with this jacket. You look at the outside of the coat, we have pockets everywhere. One thing that I noted was the liner for these hand warmer pockets right here has this nice fleece lining. It just feels great when you stick your hands in it. So if you're on a cooler ride, you're off the bike, you've got your gloves off, you stick your hands in there, it's just going to feel nice and warm, super comfortable. Got some reflective patches here on the jacket. We have this super sweet hood, which Max is just so pumped to model. Right, there's your hood, right? So this is once again going to be when you're off the bike, right? You're off the bike, you're clearly not going to wear that with your helmet. You can throw the hood up and you have that additional layer of warmth and protection. The hood is, thank baby Jesus, removable, right? All you have to do is what I'm doing right now. You got a couple of zips, off comes the hood.
No more hood.
No more hood. Pretty warm with that coat on, isn't it, buddy?
Yeah, a little.
Lights on and everything, yeah.
Yeah, but I will say, there's an inner liner on the inside, and you can ride, honestly, probably 30-degree weather with this thing, or even just a little bit lower. But when it gets up to the 70s, I would say take the liner out, and you'll be just fine.
I bet you more, even like into the probably 60s, you're going to want that liner out of there. So, this is a unique feature I wanted to show you, too. This neck fleece, which is probably adding some serious heat for you right now, is removable. We're going to pop this out and give everyone a look at that.
Very nice.
Check this out. Like, that is really cool. It snaps in and out. Probably feels a lot less restrictive.
Without a doubt, yes.
Yeah, with that removed. So you can just go ahead and continue through all the layering of this jacket. We've got volume adjustment found here at the bicep. So you had to tighten that up a little bit for the kid. Volume adjustment here in the forearm area. Volume adjustment here in the cuff. Protection that comes with the coat. We have CE Level 1 certified armor in the elbow forearm as well as the shoulder. This jacket comes with a foam insert in the back. It is not a CE certified piece. There are RS Taichi upgrades available on the website in the Taichi category. Very easy to find. You can add those right on if you want to take the protection level of the jacket and step it up a little bit. This is really pretty cool. You've probably got to take the jacket off to completely display this. We'll give you a quick look right now. Oh, this jacket also allows for use of the RS Taichi chest protector systems. There's multiple styles available. Those are also in the Taichi armor section on our website. Got a little shock cord adjuster here to help kind of tighten the coat up around the waist a little bit, right? Around the high waist. To release them, just go ahead and push in on the tab. Like so. But look at that. That is like a full-on...
For sure. It's almost a whole other jacket.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it actually pretty much is a whole nother jacket. Let's see if we can peel off the outer shell and show this. What Taichi does here is they design these to be worn all on their own, and look at that. You're able to just go ahead and, so say if you're at your destination, you no longer need the riding coat, but you do still need some insulated warmth.
So work perfectly.
Yeah, no, it looks really clean, right?
Windbreaker material, yeah. I mean, for an inner layer, this is
A couple of hand warmer style storage pockets here, and they carry over that fleece lining on those, which is really pretty cool. Give them a quick 360. When we come back, we'll have the jacket completely off. We'll take it apart and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go, the Monster Parka inside out. Here's the CE certified soft shell armor in the elbow and forearm, as well as the shoulder. Those pockets offer a level of adjustment, right? I'll show it to you as we get a little deeper into this. You're able to change the position of the Velcro. It can lengthen the pocket and allow the piece of armor to move down. If you shorten the pocket up, you're able to move the piece of armor up. Here is the non-certified foam back pad. It's going to give you a little bit of protection, but not as much as adding an actual CE piece. Once again, armor section of our website for Taichi is where you'll find those pieces. Here is that inner jacket, and you can see this is a complete piece. You can wear this standalone. It's got hand warmer style pockets on it. It's got knitted cuff around the waist, knitted cuff up there at the wrist. Here's that super sweet removable hood, right? So you're in a spot when you're off the bike, it's nasty out, you want a hood, bam, there's your hood. This is pretty cool. I think when it's really cold out, having this around your neck, it's going to seal it up a lot better in that area. It's nice and soft, and plus that adds an additional layer of warmth. The shell of the jacket itself, this is a water repellent. They did not build this off as completely waterproof, right? So this is a water repellent chassis. You can see that it's kind of a minimalistic design here at the back, but we do have our screen printed Taichi, 2 screen printed pieces here for some reflective. You're going to be riding this at night. Being visible to cars is not a bad thing. Not quite sure what's up with this, but that's like a little Velcro patch, little Taichi logo right there, TPR. Talked about the adjustment here at the cuff, adjustment at the forearm, snap adjustment here at the bicep. Front of the coat, hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides, and then you have multiple 3D pockets. Velcro closure all the way around. This one, this small pocket here, it's got a small zip pocket up front, and then you have a snap pocket right here. 2 small pockets here. No idea what this clip is for, but it's on the jacket. Super sweet. Here are your vents. Open those up. And the type of bike you're going to ride with this coat on that I envisioned, the handlebars are a little higher, got your hands up in the air, out on the bars, kind of pulls this open. So in those warmer climates, right, or those warmer riding days when you're wearing this, you need just a little bit of airflow to come into the coat. You open that up, it's going to get some air circulating, make it feel a lot more comfortable for you. Chest protection attachment system on both sides. If you're not going to use any, you can just remove that and discard that, put it off to the side. Little storage pocket here with a Velcro closure on the left side. Here is the pocket to access the back protector. We have shock cord style adjustment systems to seal this coat up at the low waist as well as the kind of mid-waist area, so you can really tighten it up. Even when you have that nice fur piece removed from around the neck, we've got a comfortable mesh liner right here. It's going to feel good against the skin. This is a real technical touring piece of gear. We think we've given you a good baseline for it. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.